Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So finally today I'm doing a vlog. It's been a long time that I didn't make a vlog. So we are here in Kaohsiung, Taiwan. This is the area, what you can see in the pier, and it's mostly business center, big cities, big building. I don't know where to go. I have no idea. Where's the exit? Maybe here. I will see. See you later guys. I'm with my Chinese colleague, but unfortunately they are not allowed to go out at the moment because they need a visa. I mean a short pass. So this is what you can see in the terminal. This is the passengers. Yes. It's a building. So let's cross the street. Wow, there's a tram. Very nice. Oh my god, I think it's a little bit far. Where to go? OMG. One of the short excursion bus. They have a taxi here also. So finally, my Chinese friends, colleagues, they are now allowed to go out. So they get their short bus already. So I will just wait them for a while here.
I'm the first Chinese to go. Let's go.
Okay, okay. Jump. Crazy. Quiet. So you are the best, huh? You're strong connection, huh? Shit, man. See? You lost your money. So it's the same with my car. We're just walking.
Want to go to the restaurant? They don't accept it.
I don't know what is that. Yes. Street food. I'm tired already. My colleague is running. She walks so fast. I walk very slow. So is this the mall?
In China, they open tournaments.
Well, it's too late. In Philippines then. She wants to go in a Starbucks. Here last time? Oh, they open now, open now.
This
It's
one.
open now.
Fish or something else.
点鱼的话比较多一
They
点，
have Wi-Fi here.
这样这边跟我学一样。
哦，就是配的菜吗？
对，它是配菜。
我要个乌龙茶，红茶好还是乌龙茶？你们哪个
它都
茶好？
是无糖的。
龙茶吗？
红茶吗？
乌龙茶，你就拿
It's
个
just
好
the
多
good
一
one,
点。
the best.
红茶和乌龙茶都一样，乌龙茶吧。
乌龙茶，先上吗？Yeah, because you're using the green one. I like that. It's good. What kind of tea is this, Dina?
乌龙茶。
I like this pomegranate. I like it a little bit sour. Very nice. You can take me a bit.
Okay. Into the Taiwan, it.
You put together.
Hey, you will come in. This is our breakfast. The beef. Right. How about we all have this mushroom?
Chicken.
Eat healthy food. Hot pot is more expensive than this. And this one has the meat, right? Hot pot, nothing, no meat. Only a little bit. This time is frog. Frog.
Frog.
Yeah.
Where is frog here? Frog is here.
会不会觉得太酸或太辣或不够酸？
有点酸，
有点酸吗？要不要帮你加糖？
不要
用吗？
就是辣的还好，不是很辣。Tofu is order your favorite. 74，not even $50.
Better we put our salmon there, right?
You know I prefer tea.
去 man.
Did you want to